Good morning, everyone. I'm forecaster Tyler Rounder. It's now about 6:45, and we're seeing mostly clear skies out there. A couple of high clouds sticking around with us through the overnight hours, but now that the sun is almost up, the clouds from last night's storms are moving away. You can see nice and dry to start off the day. A couple of sprinkles off the east coast of Florida, but here along the sun coast, we're going to be nice and dry. If anything does form this morning, it's going to be in the Gulf of Mexico. This afternoon, another story. We'll get to that in a moment. Temperatures are in the mid-70s generally, 76 in Sarasota, 75 in Longboat Key, 73 in Venice, 74 in Northport, and 75. Good morning to you in Fort Ogden. Now let's take a look at the setup that we have for this Monday. Back to school, and really Mother Nature back at work as well with the showers and storms. Again in the forecast, plenty of moisture in place. We have about a 60% chance of storms today. Now here's how you can plan your school day. We're going to see a few clouds for the first bell. By lunchtime, a few more clouds increasing as we go into the afternoon. And by dismissal time, we're going to see a 60% chance of storms, so scattered and numerous storms around if you can. Pick the kids from the bus stop up this afternoon. High temperatures otherwise will be in the low 90s from 90 to 93, 91 in Bradenton, 92 in Port Charlotte, and 93 degrees in Northport. Going to be hot and sticky. And again, those storms are going to pop up this afternoon across the area. You can see here's our future cast model. And then it'll dry out overnight, and we'll do it all over again on Tuesday with more afternoon showers and storms again in the forecast. Now switching gears and talking about the tropics, you know, we're more than halfway through the month of August already, and it's still very quiet. We had Tropical Storm Erin last week. It died yesterday well off into the Atlantic. A couple vigorous tropical waves trying to come off the coast of Africa now, but really not going to develop for the next couple of days, I don't think. That could change over the next week or two, though, as we really get closer to September, which is the peak month for hurricane season. And you can see they generally track toward the United States. What does form, some storms do recurve, but it's something that we got to keep an eye on this time of year. We'll keep you posted on SNN Local News and have a tropical update every single day from here on out. Here's your beach forecast for today. If you're not going back to school, you're going to the beach, go in the morning. The clouds and the storms will form later this afternoon. Offshore, southeasterly winds 10 knots, seas about 2 feet. And there's your tide information on the screen, starting off with low tide this morning. Your 7-day forecast shows gradual decreasing rain chances throughout the work week. That's all for weather, but let's check in with Chuck Whitaker with traffic to tell you how the roads look this morning.